Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. We've got a little bit of a sideways to sloppy trade to start the year. So we've been forming some sideways ranges on, ending the year last year, straight volatility, straight down kind of feel. And now we're just going to, form a little range here, looking sideways. We still have an open interest number that's really thin. I guess that's of noting to me because we don't have funds taking a big position, trying to be long, trying to be short, really not entering the market. So that thin open interest number means there's less traders in the market and it's harder to trade. Trying to fill even a 10 lot, it can move the market a little bit. So waiting for some participants to really make a stance or some fundamentals that would really turn us. End of next week, we've got a cattle on feed report. We got a cattle inventory report coming up here, the biannual coming up at the end of the month. And I think that's more important to me as we just track this cow herd and see if it's rebuilding and just noting how tight these feeders can be. So that's going to be what I'm waiting for. And maybe that's what the funds are waiting for too as well. But looking at some of these feeder calf runs and the sale barns to start the year, and they feel tight to me. I think these numbers are quota ways pulled back. So that's going to be the supply story that held us higher all year last year. And I don't know that we've righted that ship yet. So still thinking that's the main story for me. Demand took a little bit of a hickey, and it can do that in January, a more sluggish seasonal time frame. But we've got beef priced at some reasonable levels here. Retailers had quite a margin on some of that beef here to finish the year, and maybe they're going to pull some of that back a little bit. They might have found it's too high price maybe, but I think it's looking more affordable, barring any crazy economy news. But the high interest rate does have, has probably had a little bit of a wear on some of the consumers. So I could warrant maybe some of the reason of the slowdown was that, but still feeling good, strong about demand. Give us a call with any questions. Risk of loss in trading futures and or options is substantial.